So, I recently got engaged. Yes. Guys, I'm done. I'm dying. मेरी कल मौत होने वाली है. Hi guys, what is up? It's Arushi. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another fun vlog. जो आज का vlog is going to be काफी fun. It's like a video vlog challenge of sorts. I'll tell you what it is. Basically, I'm sure आप सब लोग ने YouTube पे वो videos देखे हुए. My Instagram followers control my day and this and that. And I wanted to do something like it, but ये हर इंसान ने क्या हुआ है? My Instagram followers control my day. So I came up with a quarantine edition of the same thing. So which is basically going to be my friend Muskan, who you guys have seen in multiple videos. She is basically going to be controlling my day via FaceTime. So the minute I asked her, she was so excited that she came up with a whole list of tasks and challenges for me to do. So the video is very simple. I'll be calling her on FaceTime and she'll basically be making decisions for me. और जो वो बोलेगी मुझे इस दिन में करना पड़ेगा. And by the way she told me that she's very excited, I'm kind of scared because I think she has some really weird and like scary challenges in store for me. So but she also told me कि रात के 10 बजे मैं उसे call करूँ when she'll give me my first task. So let's hope she is a little easy on me, and I hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs. I'm coming up with new video concepts for you guys to watch. If you guys are liking my videos and this video, please go ahead and like, share, subscribe. And now let's go and call Muskan. So we're now gonna go and call Muskan. Hi friend. Hello.
So your first thing that you need to do is Arushi Sharma pe you will make a video telling that you're engaged and you're going to make a big announcement through a YouTube video. And when somebody replies, you can't tell them the truth.
Oh god.
And you can only, they can only know when the video goes online.
Alright, so the first task, I wanted you guys to be here so आप लोग भी देख पाओ. So I'm gonna go on Instagram now.
I finally want to come.
So this is my story section on Instagram. I'm gonna put the filter glow ताकि मेरी ring shine करे. And here goes nothing. I'm such a bad actor. It's not even funny. So hey guys, how are you all doing? There's some exciting news that I have been hiding from you guys, and I want to share with you all. So I recently got engaged. Now, where, how, what is, it came as a shocker to me also, but so I'm going to be making a whole story time video about where, how and when it happened. So stay tuned for that, and yeah, take care. Alright, so task 1 given by Muskan is done. I put that story and it's only been like half an hour and my Instagram is flooding. I'm not even kidding. Everyone is sending me so many messages. My Bua just straight up video called me. She's like, what is happening? So my cousin and Bua were just on video call, so clueless. They're like,
What do you mean by you got engaged?
I got engaged is what I mean by I got engaged.
What?
Yeah.
Proper engaged? क्या मतलब engaged? अच्छे से बताओ ना यार, हम आपके YouTube
I'm getting awkward. I will call you in a bit. So I'm just waiting for 24 hours to get over so I can tell them what really is happening. But task 1 given by Muskan is done. Finally, she's now going to call me within an hour or two and give me my task number 2. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. I'm going through so much trouble. If you guys are, please go ahead and like, share, subscribe. Please go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. Please.
अभी देखो नहाना है क्योंकि तो नहाने में थोड़ी काम वो है ना तो देखो नहाना है पर नॉर्मल पानी से नहीं गैस पे एक पतीला पानी गरम करके और उसको डाल के उसके साथ नहाना
भाई समर्स में पानी ऑलरेडी इतना गर्म है.
Exactly, that's the task. बहुत बुरे
So now for my second task, Muskan has very kindly, Muskan and her cousins are now sitting and planning the whole task. So my second task was to boil like a donga of water on gas and bathe with that. So basically hot water, और वैसे भी summers में पानी बहुत गर्म होता है, तो I'm kind of like freaking out. Also मेरे घर पे अभी लाइट आ रही है और जा रही है, so AC भी नहीं चल रहा है. So I'm kind of freaking out and I'm very like I'm contemplating this whole decision. So yeah, my second task is to bathe in hot water. I hate it. I'm done taking a bath. भाई जान से निकल गई. और मैंने ना आई वॉज वेरी आलसी, तो मैंने पैन रखा नहीं था साइड में, तो मैंने अपनी बाल्टी के साइड में पैन रख दिया. और जब मैं शैम्पू धो रही थी तो मेरा पाँव गया, मेरा पाँव भी गर्म पैन पे से. Alright guys, so I'm super hungry and because of course Muskan is controlling my day, I'm going to be giving her two options. One that I want to eat and one that I don't want to eat, and then she'll choose. Now the two options I'm giving her are Maggie and popcorn. I don't want to have Maggie because I'm on a diet and I'm almost going to reach my goal weight. So Maggie I don't want to eat, and popcorn I want to eat because popcorn is not unhealthy, and I think she will choose Maggie because she knows मुझे अपनी diet खराब नहीं करनी. So मेरे को भी बहुत भूख लगी है and I'm going to give you two options, one which I want to eat and one which I don't. Then you can figure out. पर अभी मेरे घर में सिर्फ दो ही snacks पड़े हैं जो मैं खा सकती हूँ. तो first option is Act 2 popcorn and second option is Maggie.
Maggie. I also have like the last pair for the night. देखो कल सुबह जल्दी उठना है.
तो मैं पूरी रात सोऊंगी नहीं.
नहीं, मैं इतनी बुरी नहीं हूँ. मैं तेरे को 6-7 बजे नहीं उठाऊंगी.
फिर
Waking up at like 3-4 every day ना आजकल. Wake up at 10 o'clock.
भाई मैं आज 10 बजे सोई हूँ. That's an easy task. मुझे लगा था बहुत difficult होगा. Easy है.
I'm going to do good things to change your life also.
Oh, really?
I'm actually having a lot of fun having Maggie. I haven't had so much junk food in so long. I'm actually super pleased and happy that Muskan chose Maggie because I'm having Maggie after so long. I'm so happy. मेरे अंदर का दिल खुश हो चुका है. Guys, मेरी कल मौत होने वाली है. It's 5:20 in the morning and I have to wake up at 10. बाहर literally light आ चुकी है. I don't know how I'm going to wake up, but right now I'm just going to go to sleep. So, good night. Good morning guys. So Muskan just called me and woke me up. It's 10. Alright, so I'm done with my morning routine. I just like brushed my teeth and I came out for breakfast. और जिससे पहले मैं मुस्कान से पूछ भी पाऊँ कि मैं क्या खाऊँ ब्रेकफास्ट में, ये या वो, मुझे पता पड़ा था कि दादी आधे घंटे से पोहे की प्रिपरेशन कर रही हैं. एंड देन शी स्ट्रेट अप आस्क्ड मी कि नहीं, you will not eat anything else. I've made poha for you, so eat poha. So now I have to eat poha and I can't even ask Muskan कि मैं ये खाऊँ या वो खाऊँ. And after this, Muskan has a task for me at 12:30. She's asked me to call her at 12:30. So I'm going to call her and see what she has in store for me. God bless my soul. So I'm finally done with breakfast and Muskan is calling me. So
I have one question, right? Do you like milkshakes more or lemonade?
मैं तेको ऐसे थोड़ी बताऊंगी मुझे क्या पसंद है, फिर तू उसका उल्टा दे देगी मुझे.
बता. I swear कोई नहीं.
Milkshakes.
I'll help you make a milkshake. चलो चल.
Oh dude, no. Oh.
Stop it. Get some help.
She is gonna instruct me on call, and I'm gonna make whatever she asks me to do. In my milkshake. हाँ चिली? मुझे लूज मोशन हो जाएंगे ब्रो. I'm regretting it. भाई जब मैं मिक्सी में डालूंगी गड़ 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 की आवाज आएगी. Thankfully because of the cocoa powder it's brown but ऊपर से orange है literally है. So with that, my challenge number 4 is also done. I had half a glass of this disgusting smoothie और actually मैंने नीचे का भी काफी पी लिया. It was कड़वा and मिर्ची and salty and so my day is literally very questionable till now. I'm just regretting the whole idea of asking Muskan to control my day for like 24 hours. Like you all saw, I just got done with challenge number 4, which was a milkshake challenge. So she made like a milkshake for me and it was disgusting. But because I'm an honest and a very nice person, I drank the whole thing on camera. So I want you all to go and smash the like button and leave a comment down below with some motivational words for me, because I literally have put my soul and I've put my pate to a risk. Literally paid to a risk for this video. So go ahead and like, share and subscribe and don't forget to comment. Now that I'm done with this challenge, she's gonna call me another hour and give me my challenge number 5. I thought so I just got done with editing, and now instead of video calling me, Muskan sent me a video on WhatsApp which I haven't opened yet. So I'm now gonna open the video. I have no idea what it is because it's still like unread.
Hi. So your next challenge is something that you used to love doing pehle, but you don't anymore. So, and I really care about your health. So your next challenge is to do like a 45 minutes cardio workout. Also, do not forget to include push-ups because I know you hate them. All the best.
Alright, so I'm dressed for my workout. I'm wearing these really nice comfy leggings, my top, and I've braided my hair. Here's my yoga mat and my laptop. So I thankfully have like a whole curated like workout playlist that I made when I used to work out. So I have that covered, and now I'm gonna start working out so that I can get done with this, take a bath and chill again. So I'm finally done with my workout. I'm now chilling on my yoga mat on the floor like a potato. I did like a 40-minute workout. I didn't do a 45-minute workout. I'm sorry Muskan, पर मेरा पूरा playlist 40 minute में खत्म हो गया. So I was like, why bother for another 5 minutes? So I'm just lying down and doing shavasana. This is my shavasana. This is also exercise. So I'm just lying on my yoga mat and chilling for 5 to 7 minutes, letting my body cool down. उसके बाद मैं जल्दी से नहाने जाऊंगी because I feel very sticky. Thankfully, through the time that I was vlogging, my sweat has like evaporated or whatever, but I still feel very sticky and stinky. So I'm gonna go take a bath in like 5 to 7 minutes. And मैंने पूरा footage नहीं डाला अपने workout का because I'm super conscious of how I exercise and I don't want people trolling me in the comments. So that's that. I'm gonna now lie down in my shavasana and I'll see you after I've taken a bath. Bye.
Okay. So your next task is that you need to sing a song, any song, and it has to be a part of the video. I know you're gonna hate me for this, but it is what it is. Have fun.
Okay guys, so like you all saw, मेरी खुशी ज़्यादा लंबी चली नहीं because Muskan Chawla is back with her Vahiyat tasks and I'm supposed to sing a song now. So डिस्क्लेमर, आई एम सो सॉरी अगर आप लोग के कान के पर्दे फट जाए या आप ट्रॉमा में चले जाओ, मैं उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं लेती हूँ. मैं बहुत बेसुरी हूँ. Here goes nothing. This is my mic. हाँ हो गई गलती मुझसे मैं जानता हूँ, पर अब भी तुझे मैं अपनी जान मानता हूँ. एक आखिरी मौका दे मुझे, आज भी मैं तुझे अपनी शान मानता हूँ. गलती तो सबसे होती है, गलती मुझसे भी हो गई. बस हो गया. I'm so sorry you all had to go through that, but मैंने literally इसके कुछ 5 या 6 रीटेक लिए हैं and this is the final one. So please don't unsubscribe. I love you guys too much.
Hi, so I think you did a really good job and you're following all the tasks that I'm giving you. So I'm a really nice friend. So for dinner, I want you to have pasta. Make yourself some pasta.
So Muskan Chawla has finally come to her senses and now is my favorite task of all times. I have to make pasta. So I have never been so happy to make pasta.
इतनी खुशी मुझे आज तक.
My dinner for the night is ready. According to Muskan's second last task of this 24-hour day challenge, I had to make myself some pasta. She didn't specify which, so I made some white sauce pasta. It smells heavenly. Like, I love how it smells. It's been so long since I've had white sauce pasta and I'm literally sweating because I came from the kitchen. I'm so excited to have this because it's been so long since I've had white sauce pasta. I'm just so excited. So I'm gonna quickly have my dinner while you guys watch what Muskan has to say for my last task.
Okay, so this is your last task, which it is supposed to be done at 9:30. So what you need to do is that you can feed any dog in your neighborhood.
So the last task that Muskan gave me was to go and feed my dog. So there's a stray that I have been feeding ever since the lockdown has started. So I have his food and water bowl outside in my house, only in my yard. So I went and I put food there because अंधेरा था तो मैंने उसे film नहीं किया. But he usually comes around 10:30 and eats his food. So that's done. And with that, drum rolls please. I'm finally done with the 24-hour challenge. You all have no idea how happy I am. Finally, a full day of really hard and nasty tasks is done. I'm so happy. So also guys, I'm not engaged. I'm so sorry I pulled that prank on you guys, but I'm not engaged. Come on, I'm 20. So anyway, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as me and Muskan enjoyed filming it for you guys. If you guys did, you know what to do. Please go ahead and like this video. Also, if this video made you laugh at all, please leave a comment down below. It can also just be your emoji. Just start a conversation down there and I'll talk to you guys. I love talking to you guys in the comments. So go ahead and leave a comment right now, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel and have hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. And here's something Muskan also wants to say to you guys.
Hi guys. So Arushi did a wonderful job and she always does a wonderful job and always does anything to like make you guys happy. So give this video a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to her channel and also hit the bell icon.